So surface defect are called by a variety of name in the different shop floor. So they are all caused by the metal cooling off before the die cavity is completely filled. So we will discuss the possible causes of these defects throughout this session. And the list shows the most common name of the surface defect in a die casting, as you can read on screen. Cold flow, flow lines, chill, known fills, no fills, slaps, run marks, cold shut, cold, non-fill, non-filling, poor filling, line, misrun. So all these kind of defect and the words you are seeing and hearing on your shop floor. So all these words, all the defects are called the surface defect, which is related to the flow, metal flow. All right. So this is the image. You can see one of the surface defect. Yeah, this is the second one. Third one.